seatbelts are securely fastened. Covered car passenger remain seated and your seatbelts fastened.
magi pasiro ng gabi. Gani kay wala mo sirado ang pastoral sa kupan. Na kung sirado pa di lima ban, hindi kita.
Mabuhay Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Ozami. The time now for convenience is 24 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning.
Dahil karon
Friday, April 16, 2021. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened as the sudden brake may cause you to fall. Do not move your items from the overhead bins until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. Please check areas around your seat for any items you might leave behind. And please bear in mind, voice calls are permitted only after the doors have been opened. For passengers or special assistants, please complete mask. Our cabin crew ground staff will be happy to assist you.
ulang of 300. Pag-ilay ko. Man. Ang iyatang bituyan yung 1.5, purot man.
On behalf of Captain Martinez along with First Officer Dayupay and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, upon this embarkation, all passengers are instructed to proceed directly to the arrival area. For safety and security reasons, loitering and picture taking at the ramp area is strictly prohibited. Please be mindful of the safety cones and maintain a safe distance from the wings and propellers of the aircraft. And please be informed that we shall continue to practice physical distancing during this embarkation. Passengers in the forward section of the aircraft shall detain first. Our crew members will guide you on our order of disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark.
Guys, salamat ang Pinoy. Abot kami. Pag yun. Sige day, salamat yun day. Oo, nalagag. Nalagag ka day.
Doors will be open, passengers welcome to Ozami.